We go across to Cyrus, who's going to be also joining us right here. And he is with Milind, and Milind is the marathon man. Cyrus, over to you.
Yes, my name is Kailash, Complex Plaza number 3. I'm standing outside Yash Raj Studios somewhere in the suburbs of Mumbai. And we have faced the wild beasts of Mumbai right now. Yahan pe we have seen rickshaws, 40,000 in number, emitting gases which are killing people. I've been run over by 18,000 buses. 3 women with leather handbags which are destroying the environment. Hammered me. All kinds of things are happening, and if the camera comes back to me in 20 to 25 minutes, I can get to the point, which is a great man, a model, a myth, a legend, and a beautiful woman, also a myth and a legend, Anusya and Milind Soman, and they are going to do something fantastic, as you've just been told, 24 hours of running, and every kilometer he completes in that time, money will be raised, awareness will be raised for the environment. But first, let's talk to this man. This man was a swimming champion. His favorite stroke was breaststroke. And you were a national champion. And you also were a national champion.
Not in the breaststroke, but...
Right, you won the freestyle.
Clearly not in the breaststroke.
I was in the doggy paddle, as you can see. Little difference in the three of us. But let's quickly get to the point. You've trained very hard, sir. And what are you going to do? How hard is it going to be? And tell us very quickly how long you think you're going to take. 24 hours.
Idiot. No, it will be tough. It's quite, but it's quite exciting. I love to run, so it's just a small thing that I can do. What I've been telling people is that choose something easy for yourselves. It's not necessary that you have to do, put yourself...
And something easy would be 24 hours.
Put yourself through misery and do things that you don't like for the environment. Do things that you like to do and you can help.
I'm going to stay married for 24 hours. I'm doing my thing. You can also do something. Jokes apart, do something, anything. We're just trying to create awareness here. But I think it takes lots of guts to do this. It's a Saturday night. He's quite a party animal. You're letting all that go. You're going to run. What's your reason?
Well, why don't you join me?
No, I don't. I'm doing so. I'm trying to hold the fort at the back there. I'm working in the canteen here at Yash Raj. But very quickly, may the best man win, of course. Who do you think is going to? You're very fit as well.
I'm just worried for him. That's why I have my sleeves rolled up to strike fear and terror in his heart and also to clear the traffic.
It's not a race, Ansuya.
And also to clear the
traffic. We're doing it together for the cause.
Okay, alright.
Yeah? I have a friend I'm running with me. Come here. You must meet this guy.
Please come fast. We're live. We can't waste time with being shy and all that. Subodh, say hi. Remember Subodh? Subodh is a very, very handsome young man. He's a wannabe actor and singer, dancer, tractor designer, engineer.
Yeah, yes, I actually love the environment. I'm in the environmental business. I think we must save the planet for the future, and I'm going to support Milind in this cause. And NDTV, I love the fact that you're doing something for the environment. And good luck. You know, we as a company, as a corporate, are going to support this venture.
Okay, sir. And more importantly, can you take your hand off my hip now? Because I'm feeling very uncomfortable. Okay, but jokes apart, let's give him a big cheer. We have got the baja. We have got the band. Here at Yash Raj Studios, we have got everything except a contract for a film. But that'll come later. For now, look behind. We have the spelling. A for apple, B for banana, C for Cyrus, M for Milind, M-I-L-I-N-D. I repeat, if you don't know English, ma-a-la-in-na-da.